How do I do this? They don't call me the queen of vegan mac and cheese for nothing, and there's never too many recipes. Let's get into my new easy Southern style baked vegan mac and cheese. You're going to start with a baking dish of your choice. You want to make sure you spray it with some nonstick spray. You're going to take your noodles that you choose to use for this and make sure you cook it in vegetable stock heavily. You're going to add some salt to taste, and you're also going to add some black pepper and some vegan butter. And make sure you do not rinse those noodles off. You're only going to add just a little bit of mustard, and then you're going to give it a nice mix around to sit to the side. Now, I know you see it. This is the evaporated coconut milk that I found at Compare Foods, and we're going to use that whole can and put that in another bowl, along with some tapioca starch, which is going to create the stretch for our vegan cheese. We're going to add in that nutritional yeast, but not too much, and then some more ground black pepper, some Dijon mustard, a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. And you see that smoked paprika, not regular paprika, but smoked. Add a little bit of Tabasco sauce, some vegan Worcestershire sauce, and the secret ingredient is nutmeg, okay? And just a couple dashes, and that's it. You're going to mix that around and start adding in your vegan cheese. Now, I like to use at least 3 different cheeses for this recipe because I like to have additional layers of flavor because each cheese is going to add something special to it. And y'all, make sure it's a cheese that at least melts and that tastes good because we don't want nobody talking about our vegan mac and cheese. Next, we're going to add a little bit more butter to our bowl, and then we're going to add in some vegan cream cheese right to our pasta. We're going to pour that mixture over and give it a nice mix around. And do you see how much cheese to noodle that is? That is a lot. Now, you can choose to remove some of that cheese, but why would you? And then you can add more cheese like your girl is doing. Yes, your girl pulled out that shredder because we want this ooey gooey cheesy. We're going to season it with some salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Put it in the oven on 420 degrees. And I am adding a little bit of water to this, and I'm spraying the aluminum foil with some nonstick spray just so we can make sure our cheese melt and it doesn't stick to our foil. 25 minutes into cooking, you want to remove the foil and then turn your oven up to 450 degrees and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. And it should be bubbling just like this. And when I tell you, baby, I had the greedy spirit on me. Let this sit for about 30-40 minutes before serving because I let it sit for 15 and I was hungry. I couldn't take the smell. I had to eat it and I had to try it. When I tell you, baby, this is one of the best mac and cheeses you ever had. Make sure you try it out and follow Compare Foods and Chef Joya for more vegan on a budget ideas. Ciao.